Hello everyone. Today we're looking at wish clauses. Imagine that you find a magic lamp and you take it home and begin to polish it. Suddenly a genie appears and grants you 3 wishes. What would they be? Take a few moments and think of 3 wishes with sentences starting with I wish or if only. Here are my examples. I wish I lived in France, or if only I lived in France. I wish I had a car, or if only I had a car. I wish I was a doctor, or if only I was a doctor. What pattern do you see here? Think about the verb tense used. What pattern is there? For unreal situations at the present time or in the future, we have the I wish or if only, plus the subject, plus verb to, or past continuous, and then the object. The examples are, I wish I had a dog. Verb to, simple past. I do not in fact have a dog. I wish I wasn't so short. Simple past again in the negative. I'm not tall. I wish I was sitting on a beach. Using past continuous. I am in fact not sitting on a beach. I wish I wasn't watching this film. Again past continuous in the negative. I am in fact watching a film. Unreal situations at the present time or in the future, but you're wishing for someone else. So you have the I wish or if only, plus the subject, plus would, plus verb 1, simple present, plus the object. Here the subject has to be different, and the examples we have, I wish my daughters would become doctors. If only you would stop nagging. She wishes he would fix the broken water pipe. For unreal situations in the past, with regret, we have the I wish or if only, plus the subject, plus had, plus verb 3, the past participle of the verb. So in fact it's past perfect verb tense, plus the object. And the examples we have, I wish I had studied medicine instead of engineering. I wish you had travelled to Ankara by fast train. If only I hadn't resigned from my job. If only I hadn't gone to bed so late last night. Here are some sentences to look at. The sentence we have, at this moment I wish blank in a warm room blank tea and blank an old movie. So you decide which combination of words should we use. Is it had sat, had drunk, had watched, or was sitting, drinking, watching, or would sit, would drink, would watch, or am sitting, am drinking, am watching. So I'll give you a moment or two to think about the answer. Which one would you choose? Alright, second sentence. If only Mr. Blake blank the speaker all the time, as it is really annoying. Is it wouldn't interrupt, hadn't interrupted, couldn't interrupt, or doesn't interrupt? Choose one. I'll give you a moment to think of the correct solution. And the final sentence, I wish you blank my husband's face yesterday when he heard that I had been promoted. Is it saw, had seen, would see, or could see. You choose. Alright, let's look at the answers now. The answer to the first sentence was sitting, drinking, watching. At this moment, I wish I was sitting in a warm room, drinking tea and watching an old movie. The answer to the second one, wouldn't interrupt. If only Mr. Blake wouldn't interrupt the speaker all the time, as it is really annoying. And the final sentence, the answer is had seen. I wish you had seen my husband's face yesterday when he heard that I had been promoted. That's it with wish clauses. Make sure you know the rule for each situation and remember the verb tense used.